why did I press that valve into there? The reason for that was so I can bypass this. If we have a look on here, what I've got here, there's cold mains there, that comes in, goes down there, goes down, and then it goes into this tank here. So then that's the power tank that gives us really good hot water, really good cold water, boosted cold water. And then the other side of it comes out here on this pump. But with that valve there, I can turn this off, I can turn power off, and if I needed to, I could just bypass the tank there. So if there were ever any issues with that power tank, then I can just bypass it. But if you've got any more questions, put some comments below.